HOD Dr. D. Buchibabu garu.
I invite Head of Computer Science and Engineering Department in order to present the candidates of their department for the award of provisional certificates.
Will the candidates for the degree of BTech in Computer Science and Engineering kindly stand? Principal Sir, I present to you these candidates in person in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of JNTU Kakinada.
In the name and on behalf of the JNTU University Kakinada, I admit you to the degree of BTech in Computer Science and Engineering, and I charge you throughout your life to prove worthy of the degree. I also permit for distribution of provisional certificates.
Now, I call upon the stage the following candidates to receive their certificates one by one. First, I call upon Nelamraju Surya Vidyadhar, Irumudu Dinesh, Kumarapu Sambamurthy, Pittu Sai Kumar, Panditi Jashwant, Boraga Rakesh Babu, Bangaru Manikantachari, Balagani Sai Venkatesh, Bamala Arya Teja, Raman Setti Chanakya Sai, Pureti Anil Kumar, Tadikonda Venkata Sudhir, Daggubati Anil Kumar, Chatala Srikar, Sheikh Apsara Begum, Tanduri Sai Tejaraju, Nanduri Sai Tejaraju, Gundakala Subramanyam, Maleti Anvita Sai, Guma Jaiprakash, Thanneru Srilekha, Valeti Avinash, Vallepu Avinash, Vanapula Sivakumar, Bodapati Balaji, Alikepalli Bhargav Reddy, Avagana Uday Kiran, K. Sivasatvik, Badugu Gautam, M. Lakshmi Tulasi, M. Lakshmi Tulasi, Vemula Kishore, Dasra Vaishnavi, Mongamuri Varaprasad, Potam Setti Venkata Naga Pavan Kumar, Mekala Himabindu, Thanneru Vasu Ganesh, Kattapagalu Harshavardhan, Miryala Subramanya Harshita Sri, Kunchala Mahesh, Sheikh Abdul Khalil, Gade Kiran Kumar, మాగుంట వినయరాజు, కొనకలూరి వరుణ్ కుమార్, కవతారపు రాజేష్, మద్దిరెడ్డి శివ, మల్లెల మహేష్, వలిశెట్టి వెంకట నరేంద్ర కుమార్, షేక్ ఫాజల్, అన్నంగి అశోక్, షేక్ యోనస్, వలేటి వెంకట్, చిత్రాడ ఉపేంద్ర, కుంచాల బాలకృష్ణ, షేక్ అబ్దుల్ అజీమ్,